Psychobilly Cadillac, come on.
You got Jeep and Jeff and Kitty Cat Attack.
I don't have a name yet.
Behind you. So today, Kat, who usually is with me, but she likes to Jeep in her own Jeep. I don't know if that's a reflection of my driving or not. She decided to ride in the Jeep with me. So I figured we'd take the opportunity to get to know Kat a little bit and ask her about why she likes Jeeping. Kat, what do you like about Jeeping? Why do you come out with me?
It's fun and exciting.
Fun and exciting. What would you say? So we were just down at Easter Jeep Safari. Well, not just down. We were there a couple months ago. But what would you say was the favorite trail we did during Easter Jeep Safari?
Steel Bender.
And why is that?
Oh, it's just you're gonna break something every 5 seconds.
Fortunately, we didn't. But yeah, that was a fun trail. What about which one did you think was the most scenic of all the trails we did?
Oh, we did probably Top of the World.
Yeah, Top of the World was a good one. We had a lot of fun on that. It's a long day for sure. There's a video on my channel if you want a quick recap of Top of the World, so be sure to check that out. But anyway, Kat's along for the ride, and we'll check back in here in a little bit.
How are you liking your new shocks?
Oh, you know what? I don't know if everybody knows yet, but I recently installed some of the Metal Cloak Rock Sport Black reservoir shocks on this, and I'm loving it. I mean, especially on this kind of trail where you're going through sand, you get slick rock, you get some bouldery sections. It's really nice having the adjustable reservoirs just because you can dial them up or tune them back depending on if you want a softer or firmer ride, and they've been awesome. What do you think? You said you noticed a difference, right?
Yeah, I noticed a huge difference between these ones and the last one. It's really quick.
Yeah, so I'm very happy with their performance so far. We'll see if they hold up. I'll be doing a review and probably a video on the install here soon, so stay tuned. Kat, tell me why you even come jeeping with me.
You gotta prepare. I can't just
Come on.
out of the blue.
Why do you like jeeping?
Well, it's exciting and something new every time.
What do you think is the most important part of Whoa.
Oh, I made it up.
You made it up. What do you think is the most important part of approaching an obstacle?
Getting out and looking at it first.
That was a great answer. Perfect answer. All right, well, it looks like now we've got to go do this one. So Kat's come out wheeling with me quite a bit in Vernal, but she's also been wheeling all over Utah, obviously down in Moab quite a bit. I'm curious, Kat, what would you say are some of the main differences between Vernal and Moab?
I think Moab's more rocky, more slick rock. Not that this isn't happening here, but I don't think you get a lot of dirt trails out in Moab.
Yeah, there's definitely a lot more. So one thing I like about Vernal is we have a good mix of both slick rock. We also have a lot of sand, a lot of dirt roads, 2-track. So you definitely get a little bit more variety in the Vernal area.
If this is one, watch my line, because you'll stay almost level if you do. If not, you can get off camber and scare yourself.
That's Cody. He's my Jeeping buddy, and he knows that I am not a big fan of off camber. So this trail does have a good mix of on camber and off camber stuff. Nothing too dangerous, but as Cody just mentioned, depending on your line, you can get into some pretty scary situations. So we're gonna avoid that on this next one. So we just drove through a section which I think is a little off camber now. My Jeeping buddy Cody, he probably thinks it's just nothing, and maybe you guys think it's nothing too. But anytime I get past 20 degrees off camber, I start to get a little bit, you start to get a little bit of a butterfly in your tummy. But no, this is a great trail. Kat, what do you think of this trail so far?
I like it. A lot of fun.
It is a lot of fun.
Lots of obstacles.
A lot of obstacles. Definitely a good trail for someone that needs something close to Vernal, close to town, and is looking for a variety. It's got a lot of slick rock. It's got a lot of sand. Just all around a fun area to wheel in. So hopefully I just showed you a bunch of beautiful panoramic views of the trail. We were so sidetracked by just enjoying the views and chatting with our friends that I forgot to make any commentary on it. But anyway, hope you had fun. Hope you enjoyed the trail. We're gonna hustle on back to the trailhead because we're having a taco night with our Jeeping pals here. And yeah, so thanks for watching today. Please be safe out there.
Stay on the trails.
And we'll see you next time. Bye, everybody. got to make some tacos. So we're in a rush. Blah, blah, blah.